Evening here for Captivating Creatures. Everybody is worn out from a long day. Everybody's tuckered out, heading in for bed. Ferrets are already passed out. Well, not everybody. Sally's still awake. Jack's down there. Oh, hello. Everybody except for Elliot. Say hello. Say hello. You're a good boy. You're a bad birdie. A lot of people have been asking about Elliot, and it's probably been about 5 years now since he's been coming to shows. We still have him. He's still here. He's just got a potty mouth and doesn't know how to behave.